Hey guys, today's the day. Just throwing some straps in the pickup. We're gonna head down to Portland, Oregon, drive through the beautiful Columbia Gorge to the Woodland Mills Distribution Center, pick up our brand new HM126. Stay tuned. We're gonna show you guys a little bit of the beautiful scenery that we got up and down the Columbia Gorge and the process of picking up your own mill from their distribution center. Well, this is what it's like in the Columbia Gorge in the springtime. Kind of wishing I wouldn't have forgotten my rain jacket. There's Multnomah Falls on the back seat. So you actually got to come in off of Ivy to get in here. It's not off of Ledbetter. Ledbetter puts you down there on that warehouse. So you just turn right, and then yeah, it's right here to Bridgetown Enterprises, shipping and receiving. So I'm gonna get the ball rolling here, guys. Figure out what's going on so you can get the mill loaded up and get out of here. Well, guys, it's at this point in time I dropped the ball in my videography skills. The gentlemen in the warehouse were absolutely amazing. The amount of inventory that they had there was actually surprising. But for some reason, while I was videoing the two gentlemen loading this in the back of the truck with two forklifts, I must have fat fingered or something and did not get the video. So here we are, just strapping it in and getting ready to go for some lunch. What do you feel like getting?
I don't know.
That mom look it up.
Yeah.
Start pulling out of here. See what's close.
Maybe like Carl's Jr. or something.
Carl's Jr. That actually sounds yummy. Of course, one more I leave. Windy on the way home?
Probably.
I don't think we got to worry about it blowing out.
Yeah, what? 1 ton? Half a ton? Quarter of a ton?
I guess a little closer to a ton.
3/4?
Rails are heavy.
At least we don't have to worry about them blowing out.
Everything's gonna be good and soggy. All these boxes are gonna fall apart when we get them home.
Hey, easier take apart? I'm good with that.
It is springtime in the Columbia Gorge. Let's get home. Oh. The good burger. It's not the end of the world, okay? But I'm gonna show you guys how we probably shouldn't unload a sawmill. But if you are gonna pick one up with a pickup, understand that you cannot get forks under it this way. So I rigged up a contraption here. What I did was I took a strap all the way around it to the forks on the tractor here. And I'm gonna try and pull it out enough to be able to get my forks with this here beam on it and hope to God it doesn't fall off. So, yeah, stand by with me for destruction.
Oregon.
clear the tailgate.
Yeah?
Oh, look at that. You good? You sure you're good? Positive. All right, be honest. How many of you people watching this video thought that was gonna go bad? Raise your hand, hit the like button. All right, Garrett's raising his hand. I know Sarah was raising her hand. If you thought it was gonna go good, comment. Tell me that you thought it was gonna go good. You guys, thanks for checking this out. This is the last of the hauling home, picking up our own sawmill video. Next is going to be the installation or assembly and then installing it on our base. Still got to build our base, got a lot of more project ideas coming up. So thanks a lot. If you found it mildly entertaining, hit the like and share, please.